Introduction to Python libraries and pip.
Python libraries add powerful features to your code, from data analysis to web development. The tool most commonly used to install and manage these libraries is pip. Understanding how to use pip will help you unlock a huge range of capabilities in Python, making your projects faster, easier, and more effective.
What is pip?
Pip is the default package installer for Python. It allows you to download, install, and manage external libraries directly from the command line. Pip connects to the Python Package Index, a large repository of open-source Python libraries, so you can easily add new tools and features to your projects.
How to install a Python library with pip.
To install a Python library, open a terminal or command prompt and type pip install followed by the library's name. For example, to install the popular requests library, type pip install requests. Pip will automatically download the latest version and handle the installation for you.
Integrating installed libraries into your project.
Once a library is installed, you can use it in your Python code by importing it. For example, after installing requests, add import requests at the top of your script. You can then access all of the functions and features provided by that library in your project.
Tips and troubleshooting with pip.
Sometimes you may need to update a library by using pip install -- upgrade library name. If you encounter problems, make sure pip is up to date by running pip install -- upgrade pip. Double check that you are working in the correct Python environment to avoid version conflicts.